Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we move on, of course, we notice that Microsoft is trying to turn Windows 11 into a billboard of ads of all sorts, and it is really sad because it's an operating system. It should not be the case. There should not be ads within the within Windows. I'm sorry, but this should be clean. Now, and it's because also it's distracting, especially for a work, if you're working with your computer, there's distractions everywhere. And this is the bad thing about also adding ads. Some have noticed that in the widgets and also on the weather app, that new ads have been actually showing up. Once again, look at that. This shouldn't be here. It is in the operating system. It's not like a third-party weather app. Of course, if you look at third-party weather apps like WeatherBug and stuff like that, most of them do have ads, but these are, as we say, third-party apps. These are not, like here. This is made by Microsoft. This shouldn't be here. What I understand is this, like, if I minimize it, I'm not getting ads, which means I probably will keep it minimized anyways. But still, we don't want that. And I think there is a time when we need to let Microsoft know that it's unacceptable, that this is becoming an operating system where everywhere we'll look at, there'll be something that is an ad of all sorts. I don't know. Microsoft isn't going on the right direction, that's for sure, with this and with ads everywhere. And I think that I understand they're trying to make money, but I don't know. This is, once again, something unacceptable. And even the widgets have been so annoying with all the changes and all the things, and you don't even know where to start adding or removing or changing things around so that you see only what you want. At first it was just, I got the weather, I'm fine with it. But then you get all sorts of things that I don't want, and you don't really know where to go to stop it. It's like, what? I'm going to have to remove every single widget and keep just the weather widget? And even then, is it going to work? It's crazy. So, even that, I've actually went to the taskbar settings and made sure that I've removed the widgets because it was just getting too annoying. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.